Okay, welcome back. So let's apply everything we know to each one of these. Then let's find our triangle. So again, let's just jot down, and this is what I would advise to you, jot down y equals mx plus c. Okay, so we're going to go for what's the gradient first for a. So I'm going to pick a point at 3. I'm going to pick a point at 4. These are nice whole numbers. This works well for us. I'll go along 1, up 2. So my gradient is 2. So I've got y equals 2x. Where did I intersect the y-axis? Ah, yeah, that's right, down here at -2. So there's the equation for A. B is a little bit trickier. So again, we want to use the idea before of the gradient, and we want to pick whole numbers. Let's pick up some whole numbers here. So let's pick these two nice integer values. So between these two coordinate points, we come down 1, but it takes us 2 steps along to do that. So I went down 1, but it took 2 steps to do that. So in 1 step, which is what we're interested in for the gradient, I must have come down 1/2. Okay, so if I come down 1 in 2 steps, I must have come down 1/2. Let's draw a little mini triangle. Ooh, there we go. So in that 1 step I've come down 1/2. So we know that we've got y equals -1/2 x, because it came down, plus, where do we go through the y-axis? 4. Okay, then finally for C, it's very similar to the last one. So we come down by 1, but in fact it only takes us 1 step to come down by 1, so our gradient is -1. So we've got y equals -1x plus C. Well, C this time is just 0. Okay, so we can put plus 0, but in reality we would just write y equals -x, which brings us to an equation we've seen before. So we did these in reflections. So the two important lines which we should always know are y equals -x, which is the perfect diagonal going from top left to bottom right, and then y equals x, which is the perfect diagonal going from bottom left to top right. Okay, so hopefully that's helped. You will find there are some different style of questions on the Maths Watch, so keep asking them. I'll make the comments on Maths Watch now. I think Nadim's realised how to respond to those as well, so that's working quite nicely. So good luck with that, and let me know.